Example, find the volume of the solid obtained by rotating the region under the graph of y equals 1 minus 2x plus 3x squared minus 2x cubed on the closed interval from 0 to 1 around the y-axis. As in solving most problems associated with calculus, it's valuable and important to first get a sketch of the graph. Provided here, in the first quadrant shows the segment of the function y equals 1 minus 2x plus 3x squared minus 2x cubed between 0 and 1, and my attempt to rotate that about the y-axis. Note that using the washer method here would be extremely difficult, as we would have to rewrite x as a function of y. The shell method, however, allows us to compute the volume of rotation around a vertical axis with y as a function of x. So, we'll use the shell/cylinder method here. Our formula: volume is equal to 2 pi times the integral from a to b of x times f of x dx. Let's put in our specific values. That'll give us the integral. 2 pi times the integral from 0 to 1 of x times, and in parentheses, your f of x function, which is 1 minus 2x plus 3x squared minus 2x cubed dx. Multiply the x through. That'll take us to 2 pi times the integral evaluated from 0 to 1 of x minus 2x squared plus 3x cubed minus 2x to the 4th dx. Now we are ready to integrate and evaluate. Using the power rule for integration, and don't forget the constant 2 pi, the antiderivative would be 2 pi times, then in parentheses, the integral of x, which is 1/2 x squared, minus the integral of 2x cubed, which would be 2 over 3 times x cubed, plus the integral of 3x cubed, which would be 3 over 4 times x to the 4th, minus the integral of 2x to the 4th. That would be minus 2 over 5 x to the 5, and evaluated from 0 to 1. That means we'll replace x with 1 every place there's an x in the integral, get that value, and subtract the value you get when you put in 0 for every place there is an x in the integral. This computes to 2 pi times, we're just putting in 1, so 1/2 minus 2/3 plus 3/4 minus 2/5. Each of those terms evaluated at 0 is just 0. Combining 1/2 minus 2/3 plus 3/4 minus 2/5, you still have the constant 2 pi, and the other part becomes 11/60. Multiply 2 pi to 11/60, and the volume is 11 pi over 30.